I think before starting to talk about the program, it is very important to keep in mind a couple of figures. When we talk about the Egyptian population in Egypt, we are talking about 26 million individuals. This is over a quarter of the population. And despite the government's effort to reduce unemployment rates, we still see that 1 in every 4 youth remain unemployed. Now, if we look at the trends in irregular migration, we see that there's a growing trend for youth's aspiration to migrate. When youth were asked in the survey of young people in Egypt whether they want to migrate or not, 17% of youth said that they are willing to migrate. And the different push factors are very clear. 2/3 of them said that there's lack of job opportunities in their communities, and 1/3 said that they are looking for a higher incomes. I think these figures, it calls for like a fierce interventions to tackle the root causes of irregular migrations, but also the unemployment in the country. This is exactly what the project is trying to address. Providing a reason to stay, is tackling the social and environmental threats that are faced by the youth in their communities and tackling the root causes of irregular migration through providing decent work opportunities. We are trying to maximize also the role of the government and the private sector in providing these job opportunities. And a very important component of the project also is communication and awareness raising. We are working with the local communities in trying to raise youth's awareness on the risks of irregular migration, but also on the value of work, their rights and duties at work, to make sure that they understand their rights and duties at work. We have been working with the relevant ministries, including the Ministry of Trade and Industry, Ministry of Manpower, Ministry of Youth, in our intervention areas to address these issues that we spoke about before. And also the Federation of Egyptian Industries, we have been working a lot with them also to develop the SME unit within the Federation, but also with the Micro, Small and Medium Development Enterprise Agency. We have actually participated in the discussions and in developing policy briefs to create this agency, which was established through a decree in 2017. In this period, we are also focusing on supporting the youth to open or to start their small and micro enterprises. This is through the ILO's tool, Start and Improve Your Business. We are building the capacities of the local partners in universities, in the governorates, in civil society organization to support youth and link them also with the financial service provider for the access to finance. And I really hope that for this project to be scaled up in the future, we are already in discussion with the Ministry of Trade and Industry to see the really results that are coming out of this project and how the different ministries and partners would be working together for a possible scale-up or replication in the country.